Hi, it's Nickis. Today I want to review another new product will be launched today and this product is all called MAT1 marketing and affiliate training This is also in this video I'm going to show you what is this product is all about and I also have some exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more money online and I lastly and then I will also to go through their price and upsell as well so please stay with me till the end of the video okay, let's take a look inside in the sales page as you can see the MAT1 marketing and affiliate training Here's how to build a sustainable predictable income using your computer in just a few hours a day no more magic button. Stop jumping from one magic button system to the next with zero result. Follow my proven 52-week step-by-step plan to build a real online business with a reliable income stream. Get access to my private founder members only training once today. Watch the video now. This also you can see that it's just $50 and almost $50 and 2 cents. Is also you will charge you a monthly fee because you will get and you can see that it's also you will get a 52. This also a 52 weeks is also a you will have tap into the weekly training you will have a step-by-step training because as you can see in the marketing and marketing you you may have seen some of the push or the button and you will go have tons of traffic most of them may would have and also you integrate it with your social media platform but the problem is if you don't have a huge follower in different social media platform for example if you new or don't have an over 10,000 Instagram follower if you integrate with your Instagram account and push the button to push your content there's no reason that you will get a ton of traffic so this is also what is the most important problem if you use a push button magic in order to drive huge traffic to your different social media if you don't have huge follower in different social media platform this is also the problem but this marketing and affiliate training will teach you and every step by step how to start to building your build online business how to make a consistent real income online is also you can so this is also a comprehensive training and I also will build that to you what is inside what is the price and upsell as well and what you will get inside in this training They also come with 30-day money guarantee. This is also when you tap into and see what inside. If you are not interested or more, this is not comfortable as the sales page. You can cancel anytime. So this also you can see this also in the sales page and you can introducing marketing affiliate training And why listen to big because they are also have a very successful marketing and internet marketer and they will use this also have a breakthrough let's take a what is the breakthrough you will have a 15 weekly training PDF step by step checklist monthly marketing essential workshop and you will have a monthly and you working right now guys monthly Q&A webinar will make an Alex training on the essential tools The MAT1 massive video library over 200 video included and also what is the included here's the snack test of just what some of the video already included in the members area and you can see this also divided into the 15 section workplace training you can have also 39 or 36 blocking affiliate blocking affiliate marketing basic traffic strategy advanced traffic strategy traffic guide video 25嘅 traffic method is also the very important. Traffic is the most important one. No matter what you are, if you have an opt-in page to build your list or you have the blog, this is also the most important thing for all the online marketer. Is also, but if you have no traffic, there's no anybody to no eyeball to your opt-in page or your website. There's no traffic. You don't have that is you cannot make sales. There's no money. You can make money online. This is also the most important thing. Traffic is the most important thing. You have the 25 the traffic method. SEO getting started. SEO workshop. On page SEO for WordPress, this is also the very important for WordPress. SEO is search engine optimization. How to get organic traffic for search engine, mainly focused on Google, because Google is the number one, is the most important platform for you to drive organic traffic. Modern affiliate marketing, social media marketing. Also, there is also the free traffic and how to you can tap into that, because social media you can tap into that, and as you most of you as familiar is Facebook Instagram Twitter Pinterest, and also they has ton of other social media platforms that you can tap into such as Pinterest is a very powerful way you should not underestimate, because over 90-80% of credit card buyer and most of them are single mother or stay-at-mother. They have where they go to buy. There's also a buyer traffic. YouTube marketing, video marketing. This also you can tap into as you can watch a video to see what is inside. It's entertainment marketing. So this is also a huge marketing beyond 2021 and also after I think this also almost and after many years. YouTube and video marketing is also the most important thing for your marketing. You will have the 15 section, and this is also to tons of value if you tap into this membership. So if you want to start, if you are newbie, you want to and start your online business from scratch, and also to build your online business and consistently to make money online, I highly recommend that you should grab this monthly membership to learn the online marketing of online marketing and business in order to build your consistent income. So because the sales page and you can see that it's also very powerful. Just for you have the 30 day money guarantee and also you can look forward to working for you. It's also just for the sales page. So let's take a look at what my exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more money. The bonus number one, you will get a free video training course. This is also a very powerful because you will get how to make money online. Is a step-by-step newbie friendly A to C training course. You will have the newbie. If you all no idea how to make money online, this training course, this free training course is a very high quality and training. You will take you step by step how to set up your online business. Is also focused on affiliate marketing because as affiliate marketing you just as the middleman when you promote other people product, anybody purchase the product and you will get the commission. This is a simple way and the newbie friendly. In this video training course we would have a ton of training that will teach you everything about the affiliate marketing. So you can create a free account to jump into this training course. Bonus number two, you will get a free membership. This free membership you will get paid by giving away this free membership in two different ways. The number one, the one way you can get paid when anybody to upgrade, and the second way you can make money is anyone pick up solo package you will get paid. Bonus number three, you will get a free affiliate program. What is the benefit when you tap into this affiliate program? You can free to sign up and then you will make multiple streams of income. You can promote your product and service if you are a vendor, or you can promote affiliate program. And the third, you will build your email list. It's also the most powerful. You can build your email list. And lastly, you will build your downline. It's completely free to sign up. Bonus number four, you will get a training course 0 to 100 in 24 hours. Bonus number five, you will get another training course easy passive paydays. Bonus number 6, you will get a checkbox revolution. You will learn the secret to saving an insane amount of time and money using the checkbox. Bonus number 7, you will get my surefire student membership. You will get what you will get. You will get a ton of download and offer as the bonus and as your promotion. You will get the latest ebook, software, plugin, audio, video, and also they will come with giveaway. This is also you can give away to build your list. Resell, master resell, private label rights. Private label is also you has to put your photo and your website, your logo as your own product, and you can resell this product, and you can keep 100% commission. Bonus number 8, my last bonus, blogging advice for beginner. If you have a blog and no idea how to start your blog, and this blogging advice for beginner, learn the proven strategy to generate premium blog traffic for free. That is also my exclusive bonus. If you want to pick up my exclusive bonus, simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page. The bonus page, when you come to my bonus page, when you press this any blue button and go through the sales page, when you pick up this product, and all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the ROM automatically before the countdown timer hits 0. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what is the price and the upsell as well. Let's take a look what is the price and upsell as well. Let's take a look. This is also a marketing and affiliate training. Which what about is included 52 simple steps to build your online business without having to take massive action, and how to take small consistent steps to get real result. And also you can get a massive 200 marketing video training cover every aspect online marketing, and you can see in the sales page, and you will see what you will include and just for the almost $50 per month, it will take you tons of material you can tap into. What is the code for brand is also included. I will list them out. You will get 52 weekly training lesson, step-by-step checklist, monthly marketing essential workshop, monthly what's working right now guys, monthly Q&A webinar, training on essential tools, massive video library, monthly newsletter, marketing interview, and also you can take a snap of what is some of the video that you have included in the members area, and you can see WordPress training, authorities train, blogging, affiliate blogging, affiliate marketing, basic strategy, advanced traffic strategy, advanced traffic strategy, traffic guides video, 25 traffic method, SEO getting started, SEO workshop, on-page SEO, modern affiliate marketing, social media marketing, YouTube marketing, video marketing, as you can almost everything you will cover inside in the members area. It's also just for one upsell that you can pick up you can see this is also very powerful. You can pick up or not. This side hustle just for $11, and you can see you will see 12 income side hustle that it was pulling some income stream online and generate the cash to boost the online business. Because all of them, and if you just getting started and you have tight on budget, straight and tight on budget, you don't have too much money to start your business online, you can use it as 12 income side hustle to make some money in order to help you to boost your online business, because you have to sum and cash for your online business investment. So in this method cover a variety of options. It is also perfect for marketing newbie, just for starting out online. It is also you can make more money set aside hustle in order to help your online business to online business investment. So if you are tight on budget and want to and make more money as a side hustle, I highly recommend you can grab the upsell number 1 side hustle just for $11. You can get into the 12 income side hustle platform in order to help you to make more money and also to put in some income stream for your online and generate to the cash to boost your online business. So what is the benefit if you get into stop jumping from one magic budget to the next with zero result. Follow his proven 嘅52嘅 week step by step 嘅 plan to build a real online business for reliable 嘅 income stream get access to his founder members only 嘅 training works today. And also you will get this benefit So lastly, I also will cap up what my exclusive bonus for you. I have 8 with exclusive bonus for you Bonus number 1, you will get a free video training course, free video 嘅 training course Bonus number 2, you will get a free membership Bonus number 3, you will get a free affiliate program Bonus number 4, you will get a free training course 0 to 100 in 24 hours Bonus number 5, you will get another training course easy passive paydays Bonus number 6, you will get a chatbot revolution Bonus number 7, you will get a surefire 嘅 silver membership free 嘅 silver membership The last bonus number 8, you will get a blogging advice for beginner All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus automatically before the countdown timer hits 0 Simply click the link below in the description The first link is my bonus page When you go to my bonus page, when you press any this blue button and go through the sales page, all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus automatically So thanks for taking time to check out my affiliate and this affiliate and market this affiliate training course and also with my exclusive bonus Don't forget bonus YouTube channel I also have other playlists including marketing tips idea multiple stream of income make money online tips and also don't forget to check out my description below to get your freebie including 2 training courses 2 additional training 1 free report you can instantly download and also recently included free workshop free system how you can make money in 12 income stream I also included a free exclusive workshop webinar you can register and when you register you will know how to make more money online So don't forget to check out my description below to grab your freebie and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.